Welcome to Writing Our World, How to Use the Exit Tickets. The objective of this video is just that. How do you use the exit tickets to gauge the pacing of your instruction? Before you get to the exit tickets, be sure that you are fully maximizing the student application activities which are embedded in each lesson. You want to let your students have lots of time to practice the skill and get feedback from you and their peers before giving them the exit ticket. The exit ticket is only to be used when you really think that 80% of your students are ready to achieve 80% mastery on that skill. We highly encourage you to analyze the results of the exit ticket to be able to decide, should I move on to the next skill, yes or no? And also for the students who are maybe still working to master that skill, how can I provide targeted intervention to their trouble spots? We encourage you to do this through individual conferencing, small group conferencing, the warm-up, the wrap-up, as well as individualized videos that you send home with that student to their parent or guardians so that they can help support them get more additional practice at home. Always remember that the exit tickets are editable. So if you need to reuse them with a group, you can change the content to ensure that you get the information that you need. If you have any other questions about how to use the exit tickets, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to talk to you more.